Ever wonder how much you truly know about our home planet? Welcome to our journey of discovery, where we'll unmask the intriguing secrets of Earth. This celestial sphere is far more than just our home. It's a unique entity in the vast cosmos, brimming with wonders and mysteries. We'll explore its age, shape, moving continents, oxygen, water, magnetic field, moon, biodiversity, atmosphere, and its unique position in the solar system. Get ready to dive into the top 10 facts about Earth that may surprise you. Fact number 10. Earth is incredibly old. Now, old is an understatement, as our beautiful blue planet has been around for about 4.5 billion years. Yes, you heard that right, billion with a B. So how do we know this? Well, scientists have used various dating techniques, most notably radiometric dating, to estimate Earth's age. They've studied the oldest rocks on Earth, and even moon rocks and meteorites, to gather this information. Imagine all that our Earth has seen in its lifetime. It's been through the formation of continents, the birth and extinction of countless species, ice ages, and so much more. It's a fascinating thought to ponder, isn't it? Earth's long history is etched into every rock and every landscape. Each layer of Earth, each mountain range, and each ocean bed tells a story of a time long past. So next time you look at a rock, remember it could be billions of years old. Fact number 9. Earth isn't perfectly round. It might surprise you, but our home planet isn't the flawless sphere that we often picture it to be. Instead, it's an oblate spheroid, which is a fancy way of saying it's slightly squashed at the poles and a bit bloated at the equator. Why is this, you might ask? The answer lies in Earth's rotation. As the Earth spins on its axis, the centrifugal force generated pushes outwards at the equator. This outward push results in a slight bulge, giving Earth its oblate spheroidal shape. This bulge isn't enormous. It's only about 13 miles more in diameter at the equator than at the poles, but it's enough to make a noticeable difference if you're looking at Earth from space. So while we might like to think of Earth as a perfect sphere, the reality is a little more complicated. So we are living on an oblate spheroid rather than a perfect sphere. Fact number 8. Our continents are in constant motion. This movement is not something we can observe in our lifetime, but it's happening, thanks to the theory of plate tectonics. The Earth's crust is split into several large and small pieces, known as tectonic plates. These plates float on the semi-fluid layer of the mantle beneath them. As the mantle moves, so do these plates, carrying continents along with them. This process is slow and happens over millions of years, but it's responsible for some of the most significant geographical changes on Earth. The formation of mountain ranges, the drifting apart of continents, even the occurrence of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions can all be traced back to plate tectonics. So, while we might take the position of our continents for granted, they're actually on a slow and steady journey. And who knows? In a few million years, the world map could look very different. Fact number 7. The air we breathe wasn't always here. Picture Earth at its infancy, a time when our planet's atmosphere was a hostile mix of methane, ammonia, and water vapor. Oxygen, the gas that is vital for life as we know it, was conspicuously absent. It wasn't until the evolution of cyanobacteria, a group of tiny organisms with the extraordinary ability to perform photosynthesis, that oxygen began to gradually pervade our atmosphere. This process, known as the Great Oxygenation Event, occurred around 2.5 billion years ago, dramatically changing the Earth's atmosphere and paving the way for the development of oxygen-breathing life forms. It was a slow process, taking millions upon millions of years, but it was this shift that set the stage for the evolution of complex life on Earth. So we owe our existence to the tiny organisms that started producing oxygen billions of years ago. Fact number 6. Earth is a water world. Now let's dive into this fascinating reality. Covering over 70% of our planet's surface, water is the lifeblood of Earth. It's in our oceans, our rivers, our lakes, and our atmosphere. It's even in the ground beneath our feet. This abundance of water makes Earth unique in our solar system. But it's not just about quantity, it's about distribution. Water cycles through different states, liquid, solid, and gas, allowing it to reach every corner of our planet, from the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches. And let's not forget the most crucial part. Water is essential for life as we know it. Every living organism, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale, relies on water for survival. It's involved in almost every biological process, making life as diverse and vibrant as it is on Earth. So without water, Earth would be a lifeless rock. Fact number 5. Earth is like a giant magnet. This isn't just a fun comparison, it's a scientific reality. Deep beneath our feet, the molten core of our planet churns, creating a powerful magnetic field that extends thousands of miles into space. This magnetic field is born from a fascinating process called geodynamo. It happens when the heat from radioactive processes within the planet's core creates convection currents of molten iron. These currents generate electric currents which in turn produce the magnetic field. But why is this magnetic field so important? Well, it acts as Earth's very own force field, protecting life on this planet from harmful solar radiation. Without it, our atmosphere would slowly be stripped away by solar winds, making the surface uninhabitable for most life forms. In essence, our magnetic field is a cosmic guardian, silently and invisibly keeping us safe from the perils of space. So the magnetic field acts like a protective shield around our planet. Fact number 4. Our moon is more than just a pretty sight in the night sky. This celestial body, the Earth's only natural satellite, plays a vital role in our planet's life. Born from a cataclysmic event over 4 billion years ago, the moon is thought to have formed when a Mars-sized body collided with the early Earth, throwing off a ring of debris that eventually coalesced into our moon. Its gravitational pull creates a rhythmic dance between the Earth and itself, causing the ebb and flow of our tides. This tidal movement stirs up nutrients in the ocean, fostering a rich diversity of marine life. The moon also helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt, contributing to our planet's relatively stable climate over geological time. Without the moon, our world would be a very different place. So the next time you gaze up at the moon, remember, it's not just a beautiful sight, it's a stalwart companion that has shaped life on Earth. So our moon plays a crucial role in Earth's life. Fact number 3, Earth is teeming with life. Our planet is a vibrant tapestry of biodiversity, a complex network of millions of species all interconnected in ways we're only beginning to understand. From the lush rainforests to the barren deserts, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, every corner of Earth is brimming with life in an astonishing array of forms. It's estimated that Earth is home to nearly 9 million species, though we've only identified a fraction of them. Each one, whether it's a mighty elephant or a microscopic bacterium, plays a unique and vital role in the ecosystem. But this biodiversity is not just fascinating, it's essential. It provides us with clean air, fresh water, food, and medicine. It's the planet's life support system, and preserving it is vital for our survival. So every creature, big or small, has a role to play in Earth's ecosystem. Fact number 2. Earth's atmosphere is unique. It's that invisible blanket of gases surrounding our planet, a life-sustaining layer of air. The atmosphere comprises mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, with a sprinkle of other gases like argon, carbon dioxide, and traces of neon, helium, and methane. These gases work in harmony, striking an intricate balance to support life. The atmosphere also acts as a protective shield, absorbing harmful solar radiation, maintaining temperature balance and catching meteoroids before they can strike Earth's surface. Now let's talk about what makes it unique. While other planets in our solar system have atmospheres, none can match Earth's in terms of supporting life. Mars' atmosphere is thin and mostly carbon dioxide, while Venus's is thick and hot, filled with sulfuric acid. In essence, Earth's atmosphere is like a tailored suit, designed perfectly for us. Its composition, its functions, they all work together, making Earth a haven for life. So our atmosphere is our life support system. And finally, fact number 1. Earth's position in the solar system is just right. You see, our planet resides in what's known as the habitable zone, or the Goldilocks zone. This is a region in space where conditions are neither too hot nor too cold, but just right for life to exist. This is largely because our distance from the sun allows liquid water to exist on our planet's surface, a fundamental requirement for life as we know it. But it's not just about temperature. Earth's position also means it's in the right place to benefit from the sun's gravity, keeping our planet's orbit stable. This stability gives us predictable seasons and a relatively constant climate, which has allowed life to thrive and evolve over billions of years. So we are just at the right distance from the sun, making Earth a perfect home for us. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about our home planet. From its shape to its position in the solar system, each detail contributes to the marvel that is Earth. Understanding these helps us appreciate and protect our world. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more fascinating facts. Thank you for watching. Before you go, consider subscribing for more intriguing Earth facts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video.